In the range 0 less than or equal to x less than 2 pi, the equation sine to the 8x plus cos to the 6x is equal to 1 has 3, 4, 6, or 8 solutions. So my first thought here is to use a trig identity to simplify the left-hand side. If I think of sine to the power of 8 as, well, what is the best way to do this? If I think of it as maybe that doesn't quite work, that idea. Well, if I want to write everything in terms of only one of the trig functions, sine or cos, and we can do that using the Pythagorean trig identity, but I'm not sure exactly if that will help. Okay, so I think I've figured it out here. It wasn't as clean as I thought, but it all ends up working. Let me walk through what I've done. I've essentially made the substitution that y is equal to sine squared. So then the first term in the original expression is y to the power of 4. And I used a trig identity on cos squared to write it as 1 minus sine squared. So this is 1 minus y cubed. And then I've expanded this, and assuming I did the algebra correctly here, this simplifies to the following. So we're looking for roots of this equation, and we have to keep in mind that because y is equal to sine squared, y can only take values between 0 and 1. So 0 is clearly a root of this, and if y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0 or pi. And then we have to worry about the other term here. Again, this is a cubic polynomial with y between 0 and 1. I rearrange it, and I think of this as being a function of y. I take a derivative. You can see that for all values of y between 0 and 1, this derivative is strictly positive. So the function looks something like that. The maximum value here, when y is equal to 1, the maximum value of the function is 3. And so this polynomial only has one root in the domain we're interested in, and it's when y is equal to 1. When y is equal to 1, this says sine squared of x is equal to 1, and so x is going to be pi over 2 or 3 pi over 2. So the answer here should be B, that there are 4 solutions. I'm pretty confident in this, but I'll check my answer on this one later. And if I find out that I'm incorrect, I'll write it down in the description. Thanks for watching.